What are lot size? This is episode 7 of how to trade from beginner to pro with Trader Nixon. What are lot size? As traders or as newbies, you've heard about trading, you've heard about lot size, blah blah, this, then that, right? What are lot size? You don't really understand, but I'm here to explain to you. So lot size is, let's read from the slide. Lot size, these are currency units you will use to buy or sell. Currency units you use to buy or sell is a unit that you use to buy or sell. So we have, micro lots, nano. We have even, let me take it from that angle. Nano lots, micro lots. So you see, this lot size is the unit you are using to buy in any currency pair at all. If you are buying or selling, the units you use to perform that action of buys or perform that action of sells is what we call what? Lot size, right? Lot size. So now when you go on the market, right, and you want to buy any item at all, let's say you want to buy tomatoes, there are a lot of bowls that the market women will place on their what they are selling on their decks or whatever it is, right? You see small bowls and then you see some few tomatoes in it. You see big bowls, you see plenty tomatoes in it. Sometimes the smaller the bowl, the smaller in size the tomatoes you see in the bowl, right? And then the price also differs as such. And then the bigger the bowl, you see big tomatoes in it. So when you come to forex trading, right, so they will ask, the market woman will tell you, okay, the smaller one is maybe price 10 Ghana cedis, right, per bowl. Then the bigger ones is price maybe 100 cedis per bowl and all that. So that is the lot size that they are using right there, right? Lot size they are using right there. But when you come to forex market, the lot size we use is also different. So we have nano lot, micro lots, mini lots. I nearly missed that. Micro lot, mini lot. Mostly the predominant one is micro lot, mini lot, and then macro lot. When it comes to nano lots, it usually happens not in the forex market. Most brokers don't give that lot size. They don't permit that lot size in the forex market, but it happens with the derivative market, the synthetic indices market. Those of you who know all this already, but guys, if you don't have any preview on this, don't worry, right? Don't worry, you could just search it. What is synthetic indices, right? So that place, they permit some of the current the pairs there permit what? Nano lot size. So the nano lot size, it's having a third decimal place. So that is 0. You see something like I'm buying or selling with 0.001. That's a nano lot size. But when you come to the forex market, predominantly it starts from what? Micro, mini, and macro, right? So the micro lot size, usually the lowest you can find in the forex market is 0.01. And now listen, when you are buying or selling any currency pair in the forex market, know that you are buying in units. Just know this and know peace, right? Know that you are buying in units. So when you buy, when you use the lot size, like that's the scenario I gave you with the market women selling tomatoes. They have several bowls, right? And so you see smaller quantities of tomatoes in a smaller bowl, bigger tomatoes in a bigger bowl, right? So they are using the bowl as what? The lot size. So you could use to buy a tomatoes, determining the price you are going to pay for these tomatoes, right? It's just simple. Don't think too deep about this. Look at it on the shallow side of things, right? And so when you come to the forex market too, this lot size are the bowls. So it starts from micro, like I explained, give you already, right? I've already explained to you. So 0.01 is the smallest one, right, you could ever see using to buy or sell any currency pair. 0.01 is what we call the micro lot size. Okay, so the mini lot size also start from 0.10. That is 0.1, right? So that is the mini. And standard lot, or which we call macro lot, but predominantly you hear standard lot. One standard lot, once is what we call 10. So the 10 we categorically say it's one lot size, one lot size, one lot size. So when you are trading, and know that they have their corresponding units. So looking at micro lot size in forex trading, you see 0.01, right? That is the minimum. The minimum you could use, right? 0.01. Its corresponding units is it 1,000 units. 0.02 is 2,000 units. 0.03 3,000 units. So it means, let's take a currency pair, for example, GBP USD, which is a Great Britain pound, and then the United States dollar. If let's say you are buying, you click on buy on your MetaTrader 4 or Trader 5, GBP USD is the currency pair, you click on buy. It means you are buying the pound, whereas you are selling the dollar. That is fine. Just accept it that way. Okay, don't ask me for explaining deeper on that. Put it in your mind like that, right? So when you are performing such an action, the question is, what is the lot size you are using to buy this? What is the lot size you are using to buy this currency pair? So if it's a micro lot, which is the minimum, it's a range from 0.01 to 0.09, then that is a micro lot. So let's say in a micro lot, I am using 0.01. It means that's the minimum I'm using to buy, right? So that 0.01 corresponds to how many units of the pound I am buying. The GBP USD trade that I am buying on. How many units am I buying? Because, lot size is telling us that currency units you will buy or sell. So lot size basically is the currency that you are trading. If it's example GBP USD, if you are placing the buy, it means you are buying the pound and selling the dollar, right? And so the lot size will determine how many units of the pound you are buying. And so if we use 0.01 lot size, which is the minimum, it means, I've already told you that word. 0.01 is equivalent to 1,000 units of whatever currency pair you are buying or selling. In this case, we are buying GBP USD, meaning we are buying the pound and selling the dollar. So if we use 0.01, it means we are buying 1,000 units of the pound. And so let's go to 0.02. It means we are buying 2,000. 0.03. It means we are buying 3,000 units, and so on. And so mini lot starts from 0.10, right, which is 0.1. So if I buy the GBP USD trade with 0.10, which is a mini lot, it means I'm buying 10,000 units of what? The pound. If I'm using a standard lot, which is one lot size, it means I am buying 100,000 units of the pound on the same action, right? If I use 5 lot size, it means I'm buying 500,000 units of the pound. And another example is that same currency pair, GBP USD, assuming I am selling. Understand this. Follow me. Write it down, and you understand it is applicable to this format. Is applicable to every pair, every currency pair, right? This same currency pair, GBP USD. Assuming now we are selling. If you place sell, it means you are selling what? The dollar. Sorry. It means you are buying the dollar now. When you click on buy, it means you are buying the pound and selling what? The dollar. But when you place sell, it means you are buying the dollar and what? You are selling the pound. So that is what I told you in our previous episodes, that whenever you trigger buy, or you click on buy, or you click on sell, you are trying to say that one economy will be stronger than the other, and so one particular currency will be stronger than the other currency, right? And so just understand it this way. So when you click sell, that is why it is a currency pair, and we have the base and the code, so you know this is here and this is there. And so whatever action you make on the forex market, you are just saying that this currency will be stronger than the other. So even if it's sell, right, and then GBP USD finds itself as the quote currency, right? It's not the base. The base is the GBP. The quote is the USD, right? So the USD is the one that is going to be here. on the right side like this from my positioning, right? So if you click on sell on your MetaTrader 5 GBP USD, if you click on sell GBP USD, it means to say that now you are predicting that the dollar will be stronger, and so you are now buying the dollar. If you click on buy, because GBP is the base currency, you are saying GBP will be what? Stronger. So you are buying GBP. And so it corresponds with the scenario I gave previously with buying the pound or buying GBP with the lot size explanation that I gave. So even if you click on sell on the same currency pair GBP USD and the lot size you use is 0.01, it's still you buying 1,000 units of the US dollar. If it's 0.02, it's 2,000 units. So the lot size that you use has its correspondent of units that you are buying. Units. Okay? Simple as short. Simple stuff, right? You just have to, this one, you need to watch the video over and over again. Bro, we spent a lot of time. The time I was going to university, bro, people will be learning their slides and I'll be learning these things, bro. So when they get A, you don't even expect me to get A. Me, I'm getting A in forex though. Obviously, right? And so that's how I'm able to even explain this thing to you to understand right now. It is not easy, but you need to take your time and go through over and download this video. I'll make sure this video is downloadable. Download it, go through, watch it. If it's not able to, if you are not able to download, screen record it and keep it in your photos or your files. Watch it over and over again. And so whatever action you perform when you are buying 0.01, so you see your account size and all that will come in. I'll come and explain. We have something we call accounting in forex trading. Just pray I don't forget this one, but I'll teach you. Hopefully I'm going to teach you guys all these things. Guys, I've explained to you lot size in forex trading. This is episode 7 of how to trade forex from beginner to pro with Trader Nixon. Make sure you follow me. If you are watching this on TikTok, share, like this video, favorite it. And if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, share, like this video. My name is Trader Nixon again, and I'm out.